In this video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang optimal trading entry or ang OTE. Okay? So, it's another way to enter a trade, okay? After mangyari yung mga criterias natin. Again, I just want to remind you guys, ang criteria natin is we need a liquidity grab of old high or old low. Then, makakita tayo ng shift, market structure shift with a good displacement. Okay? Then, after a good displacement, okay, bring out your Fibonacci. Okay, bring out your Fibonacci to measure. Okay. To measure yung entry nyo. So, ito yung ano nya, ito yung settings. Okay. I-pause nyo na lang yung video. Yan. So, wag nyo, hayaan nyo muna to. Hayaan nyo muna tong part na to. Ito lang. Ito, tsaka itong dalawa. Hayaan nyo tong part na to kasi pag-uusapan natin to sa susunod na video sa projection. Okay? This is the standard deviation projection. Okay? So, pause nyo na lang for the settings. Now, after this market structure shift, ayan, entry ka na dito. You can choose 0.62 either dito, no? Pero most of the time, pinakamaganda talaga is 0.62 every time. Okay. Para hindi tayo ma-front run o hindi tayo iwan ng market. Okay. Target 1:2. 1:2. Then we're good, no? So ganun lang. Sobrang simple lang talaga nitong model na to, guys. Just put time, no? So we have here, okay, a market structure na bullish, no? So we are going for the continuation. Now, ito yung setup. So makikita nyo dito, ranging talaga yung market, no clear high and low. And after that, nagkaroon ng impulse move, okay, na nag-take ng lows na to. Nagkaroon siya ng impulse move to take these lows. So, na-read na yan. Okay. After ma-read nitong low na to, okay, makakita tayo na itong candle na flip talaga siya. Ito nyo. After a strong momentum going dito sa lows na to, bumalik din siya agad to take these highs. Okay. This high, this high. So, anong meron tayo? A market structure shift. Bullish ba yung market? Yes. No, bullish yung market. Bullish yung market. Now, so dito, you can either use order block, you can use this breaker block, okay. Tapos you can also enter in this fair value gap, ditong fair value gap na to. Pero the other way to entry, okay, is using this OTE. Okay. So, entry tayo dyan. Entry, OTE. Yan. Tapos, target tayo ng 1:2. 1:2. 1:2. Where's that 1:2? Yan. Kasaran ng ganyan. No? Or, you can either target this high. This high. Bakit? Clean highs tong mga to. Malinis. Mga liquidities. No? So, yan. Or dahil bullish tayo, you can also target this high. Target this high. Okay? So, yun. Ganun siya. So, yun lang. Sa video na to, OTE entry. Sana may natutunan kayo. Peace out.